Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to simplify the square roots by a strategy. We have different methods to simplify, but we work on the easy strategy so that we see how quickly we can get the answers in less than a minute. 3 easy steps. Always write the original number given question as it is. Split it into 2 equal halves. Take 2 digits together, last 2 digits on the second partition side. I have split 3136 into 2 partitions, as you can see. Now, we will begin with this ones place number, 6. Think of a number which when multiplied by itself gives me 6. Because it's an under root, it's a square root. So which means any number which is multiplied by itself 2 times will give me a perfect square number, and in this it is 6 as the last digit. To begin with, I have 4. If I do the 4 square, I get 16. Definitely there shall be another number which multiplied by itself give me 6, and that number is 6 square. That gives us 36. Now, if we are not able to quickly find out the other number, we can always do 10 minus whatever the first number you found out, subtract it from 10, you will get the other number. So these are the steps for finding out the last digit. I'm going to make 3 columns over here. The last digit we found out will be either 4 or 6. Now, we go to this partition, this number. I have 31. Find the closest perfect square to 31. We know 5 times 5 or 5 square is 25. Which means my first number will be 5, or a tens place number will be 5. Now you could think, why only 5? I can do 6 times 6. No, 6 times 6 is 36, which is greater than 31, and we do not have 36 in that partition. Now, next step, this is final. I have to pick the number, either it will be 54 or 56. How to find out that what is the correct answer? For that verification, we have a step here. We found this as 5. Multiply this number with its next number. We get here as 30. Now check. 31 is greater than 30. This 31 is greater than this number. I'm comparing these two numbers to finalize my answer. So we say 31 is greater than 30. I'm going to pick the larger number. This is a rule. If the inside number is greater than the number multiplied by this step, we will always pick the larger number, and hence my answer is 56. You can check, you can use calculators to verify the answers. I have another example, 7744. We follow the same steps, 7744, 2 partitions. Now, I'm concerned about this last 4 and this whole number. How do we get 4? 2 square or 8 square. If we know our perfect squares, we shall be easily able to do that. But if we do not able to find out, if you are not able to find, do 10 minus 2 or whatever the first number you found out, you will immediately get the other number, and here I get as 8. Now again 3 partitions, 3 columns. This number will be either 2 or 8. How to find out what will be the first number? Find the closest perfect square to 77. Now this is 8 square, that gives me 64. and 64 is less than 77. So that means it will be 8 only. I cannot pick 9 because 9 square is 81 and we do not have 81 in the question. Now this number will be 8. So either the answer will be 82 or the answer will be 88. How to find out which is the correct answer? We do the step, we repeat the same step again. We found this as 8, multiply this with its next number, that gives me 72. Now let's compare 77 and 72. 77 is greater than 72, which means this larger number will be my answer. So my final answer here is 88. Now let's take another number. I have written 8464. Steps are the same. 8464. We will split this. Now again we look at the last digit. This is 4. Now 2 square or 8 square. Or else we can do 10 minus 2, we still get 8. Or if we found out 8, we can do 10 minus 8, that gives me 2. So definitely there will be two numbers which makes it a perfect square. Now again 3 columns, either this is 2 or 8. Now look at this number 84. What is the closest perfect square to this number? 9 times 9 is 81. So we write here 9 square, which is 81, and this is confirmed. The first digit will be 9. Now, what step did I tell you? How to find out whether it is 92 or 98, which means this small number or this 8 as a larger number. Multiply 9 with its next number, which gives me 10, and 9 times 10 is 90. Now compare 84 and 90. 84 is less. 84 is an inside number. Compare this with 90, which is smaller in this example. So we will pick this 92 as our final answer. So it is 92. Gradually, in the upcoming videos, we'll also be learning about how to find out the cubes or the larger numbers which are more than 4 digits, 5 digits, how to quickly find out the same, using the same strategy, how to quickly find out the number. So with this, I'll finish this. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.